Hey, happy Thanksgiving. We're going to spend a little time today enjoying the cranberry sauce. And I have Ocean Spray gelled cranberry sauce. I'm getting it ready for my family because we love it so much. And do you know that on the cranberry sauce they can it upside down so that the air bubble that comes from being on the shelf helps it come right out of the can. Alright, I'm going to put a couple cans right here in this container. Alright, so we open the bottom of the can. Great can opener. And I just like to get one little, here we go, we're going to.
That's where you just pull, oh.
There it comes out, nice and clean. We're going to fill this up and get it ready for dinner.
Flop another one out.
Okay. Open the bottom. Got a wiggle to it. That's what we like. Here we go. Hear it? Here it comes. Look at that wiggle. It's crazy. All right, we'll be back. Here they are, the cranberries.
They're all jiggly.
They're a little wiggly. They're a little wiggly. Does anybody feel wiggly?
Oh, do you feel wiggly? Colin, wiggle.
Wiggly. Wiggle. You feel wiggly, Adrian? Jamie, feel wiggly? Awesome. That's it.
Have at it.
Yeah.
Where's the cranberry sauce?
I got the cranberries. Oh my God, they're a little wiggly. Oh, Jamie.
What's it doing to you?
Jamie. Does it make you feel? Does it make you feel? Josh,
Nope.
just make it feel a little wiggly.
How do you like it? You like it? You like it? You like it again? Like the cranberry sauce? You like it?
Like, make it feel a little.
I already did. I'll do it again.
I'll do it again.
I ate the cranberries now.
Cut!
Oh, you want some cranberries?
Oh my God, I can't wait
Go
to
ahead.
get
Oh, yeah, where's the French fried onion?